Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to check the full model name of your device. So to do this, first you'll have to know the serial number of your laptop. So it's located on the back cover of your device. Let me show it to you real quick where to find it. It's located right here below the barcode next to the SN letters. All the digits that you see right here is the serial number of your device. I hope you can see them from here. Okay, and to check the full model name, we'll have to connect to the internet and open the web browser. You can use any that you like. Okay, so let me place it right here. Okay, so right now open the web browser. For example, I'm gonna go with the Edge browser, and here input Xiaomi product authentication. Okay, so look up something like this and you'll see a page which is me.com global verify. Go right here, and here you'll have to input your serial number. I forgot to mention, but I had to suggest to you that you should take a photo of it or maybe write down the serial number, but generally I got a photo of mine, so I'm gonna input it here. So it goes like this, and /25QC00562. Okay, and then enter the verification code, and then click verify, and you'll have your device's full model name. So RedmiBook 14 2025 C5 210H, and basically all of this is the full model name of your device. So that's how you check it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.